Hello students, so now continuing our problems on continuous function. Today I will take second type of problems where you are required to find k. Condition is that function is continuous. So when he says function is continuous means f of a is equal to LHL is equal to RHL. So now if you want you can write this function as x equal to 2, x less than 2, x greater than 2 ಮೂರೂತ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು. So just I will be taking it directly even if you don't write. So now here while taking you take such that one function should have k and another one should not have k. So ನೀವೀಗ LHL, f of a, RHL ತಗೋಬೇಕಾರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೋರಿ, ಒಂದ್ರೊಳಗೆ k ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರೊಳಗೆ k ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. So one should have k, one should not have k. So now if I take here k is not there, greater than 2 he says means this comes under RHL. So first I will take RHL. So RHL is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus indicates RHL. Function f of x is what? 3. Function is 3. Now apply limit. So as there is no x, function is constant, so value remains the same. So RHL is equal to 3. Second step. Now take either f of a or LHL means it should contain k. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal to nu ಇದ್ರೊಳಗದರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of a ಇದ್ರಾಗದ. So I will take f of a. So second I will take f of a. So means when x equal to 2. So or I will write here when x equal to 2. So f of x is equal to k x square he has given. So if you substitute 2 in place of x, you substitute 2. So k into 2 square, you will get 4k. You will get 4k. This is nothing but our f of a. Condition is that given function is continuous. So function is continuous means these two values will be same. So I will write here as f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. I can say f of a is equal to RHL, which I have calculated. F of a is equal to RHL equal to LHL. So f of a is 4k, RHL is 3, so 3. Now if I divide this, I will get value of k. Therefore k is equal to 3 by 4. Clear students? So for 4 marks he will be asking. So first ತಗೋಬೇಕಾರೆ k ಇಲ್ಲದ ತಗೋರಿ. So k ಇಲ್ಲದ greater than ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು RHL. So RHL ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಒಂದು ತಗೋರಿ, LHL ತಗೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ f of a ತಗೋರಿ. ನಾ f of a ತಗೊಂಡೇನೆ. So f of x is kx square. x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, you will get f of a. Then equate both, you will get the value of k. So for 4 marks he has asked in the exam. Similarly, now you can tell me second one. So if I take second one. So first k illada ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, in which there is no k, that we will take. Means k is not there over here. So if you observe here it is greater than. Greater than means it is RHL. So first we will calculate RHL. So RHL is equal to limit x tends to 5 plus indicates RHL. Function is 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. Now simplify this. So denominator is 1. So denominator is 1 means directly I can substitute 5. You need not simplify. So if I substitute 3 into 5 minus 5. So 15 minus 5 you will get 10. So if I substitute 5, 15 minus 5 you will get 10. Now second. So either you take f of a or LHL from this. Again I will take f of a. So f of a means when x is equal to phi. F of a when x is equal to phi. So when x is equal to phi, function he has defined as kx plus 1. So f of x is equal to kx plus 1. Substitute phi. So f of phi is equal to 5k plus 1. This is nothing but our f of a. 5k plus 1. So now again equate both, you will have the answer. So as function is continuous, as f of x is continuous, as f of x is continuous, so you will have f of a is equal to RHL. F of a is equal to RHL. Substitute. So 5k plus 1 is equal to 10. So you will have 5k is equal to 9. Therefore k is equal to 9 by 5. K is equal to 9 by 5. Clear, students? You can note, then we will see next problem. So third one, students. So again if you observe here, so when x equal to 0 he has given it as k, and when x not equal to 0 he has given 1 minus cos 4x by x square at x equal to 0. So first I will take this one. When x equal to 0 means directly I am having f of a. So first directly I will write f of a is equal to k. So when x equal to 0 means f of a. So f of a is k, where a is 0. Now when it is not equal to means LHL and RHL both are in this. So combined I will calculate. So second, LHL or RHL, or you can say both will be equal. So you are required to apply limit as x tends to 0. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 4x divided by x square. 1 minus cos 4x divided by x square. Now if you put 0, it will be cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0. If you substitute 0, this will be 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate. 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So here you are required to simplify. In previous session we have seen you are required to apply formula for 1 minus cos 4x. So if I apply limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So you will have 2 sin square theta by 2 means you will have 2x divided by x square. So half of this angle will come here. So you will have 2 sin square 4x by 2. 4 and 2 gets cancelled, you will have 2x. Now again you remove constant outside. Sin square I will write it as 2 times. So this is equal to 2. Limit x tends to 0. Sin 2x I will write. X square, here 1x will come and here 1x will come. Now apply limit sin mx by x. So sin mx by x is m. So this 2 as it is. So here m is 2. So answer here it is 2. Here also you have answer 2. So if you multiply you will get 8. So 2 constant. Sin mx by x is m. So answer is 2. Sin mx by x is m. So answer is 2. So if you multiply you will have 8. Now as function is continuous, equate, you will have the answer. So as f of x is continuous, f of x is continuous, f of a is equal to RHL or LHL. So f of a he has given it as k. So you will get answer k is equal to 8. K is equal to 8. Clear, students? Similarly, fourth one if we take. So fourth one if we solve. So first directly I will take f of a is k. at x equal to 0. So when x is not equal to 0 he has given, means I am required to apply limit over here. So second, combined it is again as we have taken here LHL or RHL is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos, if you get, again you are required to apply formula. If you directly substitute, again you will get 0 by 0, 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So apply formula to numerator and denominator. So limit x tends to 0. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square x, denominator will be 2 sin square x by 2. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. This angle becomes half, so x, here angle becomes half, so x by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Now if you observe, in numerator also I am having sin square, denominator also I am having sin square. So we divide numerator and denominator by x square to have this type of step. So 2 gets cancelled. Divide numerator and denominator by x square. So limit x tends to 0. Sin square x divided by x square whole divided by sin square x by 2 whole divided by x square. Whole divided by x square. Now apply limit separately to numerator and denominator and simplify as I have done over here. So if I take limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into sin x by x. For numerator I have applied. Similarly, if I apply limit for denominator, so limit for denominator x tends to 0 sin x by 2 divided by x and sin x by 2 divided by x. So denominator and numerator I have applied separate limit. Now if you have the answer of this, sin x by x tends to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 divided by. Denominator here you will have 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So you will get answer 4. So 2 and 2 will go to the numerator, you will have 4. So again you write as function is continuous and equate, you will get the value of k. So I will write here students as f of x is continuous, k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4, that is f of a is equal to LHL equal to RHL. So if you equate both you will have answer as 4. Clear? We will go for the next. So fifth one students. So again here if you observe, so when x is less than or equal to, means LHL and f of a are here, greater than RHL is here. So first if I take f of a, so for f of a when x is equal to pi, here when x is equal to pi is there. So when x is equal to pi, f of x is kx plus 1. So in place of x substitute pi. So f of pi is equal to k into pi plus 1. So f of a is pi into k plus 1. Pi into k plus 1. So this is when x is equal to pi. So another function I will take which is not having k, means I am required to take RHL. So now second I will take RHL. So when x is greater than pi, so limit x tends to pi plus, so function is cos x, Now in previous session I have told, so denominator is 1, means you can directly substitute pi. So if I substitute, this is equal to cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. So again, as function is continuous, you equate both. So as f of x is continuous, f of a is equal to RHL. F of a is equal to RHL. So pi into k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So simplify, you will get k. So 1 if I take to the RHS, pi k is equal to minus 2. So you will get k is equal to minus 2 divided by pi. So k is equal to minus 2 divided by pi. So this is fifth one. Now sixth. So this is important. So 3 times he has asked in annual exam. So some basics of first year you are required to know over here. So again, first when x is equal to pi by 2 means f of a directly he has given. So f of a is equal to 3. F of a is equal to 3. Now to find LHL or RHL you are required to take this and limit as x tends to pi by 2. So second, if I take LHL or RHL, so is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. Now if you substitute pi by 2 and check it, you will get 0 by 0. You will get 0 by 0. So to recognize this problem, this type of problem, always whatever here it is there, its subtraction will be over here or difference of this. So ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹಿಡಿಯೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ x ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ x ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಅಥವಾ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ x ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾನ 2x ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 2x ಮತ್ತು ಪೈ ನಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪದ ಅದ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x is equal to theta. So simplify, x means what you will get c. So ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತಾನೆ, ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ. So 2x is equal to pi minus theta. Theta I have taken to LHS, it becomes minus. 2x I have taken to RHS, it becomes plus. 2 ಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So substitute this. Before substituting you should even change the limit. So as x tends to pi by 2, x tends to pi by 2. So x pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ತುಂಬ್ರಿ, ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಿರ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು pi ಆಗ್ತದೆ. pi minus pi will be 0. So as x tends to pi by 2, theta tends to 0. Clear students? ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಅಥವಾ even you can think over here, x tends to pi by 2. So x to become pi by 2, this value should become 0. Means theta should tend to 0. Now substitute all these values in the limit. So whatever limit he has given, you substitute those values in the given limit and simplify, you will have the answer. So now if I substitute, so I will get LHL or RHL is equal to limit theta tends to pi by x tends to pi by 2 will go and comes theta tends to 0. So x tends to pi by 2 hogi, theta tends to 0. K as it is, in place of x you substitute this. So k cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2 divided by pi minus 2x. Pi minus 2x is theta. So divided by theta. So k constant I will remove outside. Limit theta tends to 0. Cos 90 minus is sine. So you will get sine theta by 2 divided by theta. So you will get sine theta by 2 divided by theta. Now again it is in the form of sin mx by x. So sin mx by x will be m, means your answer will be 1 by 2. So k into 1 by 2. So you will get k by 2. Clear students? You will get k by 2. Now again equate these two, you will get the value of k. So as f of x is continuous, f of x is continuous, f of a is equal to LHL or RHL. So substitute, this is 3, this is k by 2, so cross multiply, therefore you will get k is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. Clear students?